Would you believe me if I told you these chickens right here could make you a millionaire? It sounds insane, but it's backed by hard numbers. Let's break it down. Here's the deal. A single healthy laying hen can produce around 250 to 300 eggs per year. Just 100 hens? That's up to 30,000 eggs annually. Now let's talk dollars. In the US, one farm fresh egg sells for 30 cents to 50 cents. That's $9,000 to $15,000 of income from only 100 hens. Let's scale that. With 1,000 chickens, you're producing up to 300,000 eggs a year. Sell them at an average of 40 cents per egg. That's $120,000 in revenue. Deduct around $40,000 in feed, care, and basic maintenance, and you've got yourself $80,000 in profit. And that's just eggs. Smart farmers don't stop there. They sell chicks, offer fertilized eggs, create branded egg cartons, and even get into organic certification. You can sell to grocery stores, restaurants, or even start a weekly subscription box. You're not just selling eggs, you're building an empire. Even the poop is profitable. Chicken manure is rich in nitrogen, perfect for organic fertilizer. Some farmers even use waste for biofuel to power their farms. Lower operating costs equals higher margins. That's how you win. Here's what makes this unbeatable. Eggs are recession-proof. In every economy, booming or crashing, people need protein. Eggs are affordable, nutritious, and essential, which means consistent cash flow, even during inflation. Now, let's keep it real. Most people fail because they underestimate startup costs, don't reinvest profits, try to grow too fast without systems. You know how millionaires think. They don't chase hype. They spot boring businesses with predictable cash flow and scale the hell out of them. Chickens aren't sexy, but eggs are currency. There are folks right now who started with 20 chickens in their backyard, and now they own full-blown operations, supplying thousands of homes and making 6 figures a year. Some even teach it on YouTube, sell ebooks, and build courses. That's passive income on top of farm profit. So what's stopping you? You don't need to be a farmer, just someone with a vision and a bit of land, or even a balcony to start small. The path to millions might just start with a cluck. Like this video, subscribe for more smart business ideas. And remember, small ideas, scaled smart, can change your life.